The one that looks just like that?
Your man.
That we started the perimeter?
Look at that.
Now, we found the perimeter. Can anyone raise their hand and remind me, what was the perimeter for Sun's Garden? I wanted a BAM statement. I don't just want a sentence. Give me an echo. What was the perimeter, Jillian? I'm sorry, Jillian. There were some people talking when you were saying that. Can you say it one more time? Thank you for adding that label. The perimeter of Sun's Garden is 26. Wait, you said 27, right?
26.
Oh, it is 26? 26 meters. So we found the perimeter. We also need to find the area. We had this labeled before. This is 9 meters. Over here is 4 meters. How do we find the area? We added to find the perimeter. We added up all the sides. So what do we do to find the area? Lizzie, what do you remember? 9 what times 4 what? 9 dogs times 4 ducks? 9 meters. Times 4 meters. Equals. So all she did was she took one side, multiplied it by the other. She had her length times width. And she plugged in 9 times 4. You should all be able to check that on your hands right now. If you don't have that memorized, check with your hands. Find your sheet.
81 meters.
Try it again.
7 meters.
Who can raise their hand and tell me
36.
the area? I got one friend, 2 friends who can tell me the area of Sun's Garden. Austin, what is it?
The area of Sun's Garden is what was the area again?
Well, that's what you were supposed to be working on right now. The area of Sun's Garden. We set it up for you. Length times width. The length, the longest part, times your width, 4 meters. 9 times 4. Jill, what is it?
They're all
36 what?
meters.
36 meters. Austin, I loved how you did, so when you were trying to give me the answer, you started giving me the BAM statement. The area of Sun's Garden is 36 meters. Now we're missing one thing. Missing one thing that's got to go to the end, right here. What belongs right here? Got 2 people I remember? If we're multiplying 2 things to find the area, we always have to do something at the end of it. Dylan W., what do we need to do?
I don't know what it's called.
What's the number?
2.
2. We're going to square it.
30.
So it's going to be 36 meters squared. 36 meters squared. Don't forget that 2. That 2 is very, 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 very importante. There we go. We showed our word. Bam. We have both of our BAM statements. Ba-bam, ba-bam. Done. Moving on. Progress. Letter B. Sun wants to build a new garden with the same area. Ooh, that sounds familiar. Remember our strategy? If it sounds important, probably underline that. The same area as her current garden. She wants a new garden, but with the same area as the one she has, but with a different perimeter. Woo. Draw and label a sketch of what Sun's new garden will look like. meters by 4 meters. That's the total perimeter. We now want a different perimeter, but we want the same area. The same 36 meters. What can we do to keep the area but change the perimeter? I like how team 3's thinking. I hear the things moving in the head. Kieran, what do you think? What should we do?
You could switch the 9s with the. You could switch the 9s with the 4s to the 4s with the 9s.
Okay, so if we did that, if I changed my shape around, so now it would kind of look like this, and I had 4s here, 4 meters, and 9 meters. What's my perimeter now? What's my perimeter now? You're adding up the sides to find your perimeter. What's my perimeter now, Hannah?
It's still 20. 36. It's still 36. No.
It's still, what was it? The perimeter was 26. God bless you. The perimeter is 26.
26.
So is this going to work?
No.
What's another idea? What else could we do? If you look over here, we have to multiply to get that 36 meters. We want to keep that 36 meters. This is what we want to keep. We want this. And love it. Love it, love it, love it. But we want to change what the garden is going to look like. We're going to change the way its shape is, but we still want the same amount of garden. So we want the same amount of garden, but we want to change the shape. So if I multiply these two numbers to get 36, what else could I multiply? What other two numbers could I multiply together to get 36? Go ahead and talk with your partners, talk with your team. You've got all sorts of free space on the bottom. Try to find some other numbers that could multiply together to get 36. I love the collaboration going on in Team 3. They all put their heads nice and tight together.
See if you can find another set of numbers that are going to equal 36.
Another set
What
of numbers.
times what is 36? Don't say anything out loud.
Talk to your partners.
You're
talk to your
collaborating.
teams.
Collaborate with your partner. Your team knows what to do with your garden.
Give you about another 30 seconds to collaborate with your team. If your team already found it, you could probably start drawing your new garden.
Your garden on the bottom. Just draw and
You're going to draw your new garden
garden would look like. So draw your
with your label. Don't forget to label the sides.
What's your new garden going to look like?
Put that on here, Justin. Right next to that. So once your team has it, I want you to draw that new one. There you go. There you go. But can you prove, your next step is to prove that your perimeter is different, but your area is the same. We'll see. I gotta see what everybody else is coming up with. Got about another 15 seconds. And we'll start to talk about it. Label, 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 label.
I see what you're saying.
Where's your new garden? I see a garden there. Label your garden. All times go. All right, I'm ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, garden be? What times what? What by what? What's my new measurements? I got 2 friends up here. Who else knows? Justice, what are my new measurements? Here's my new garden. Maybe I can show you this up a little bit. Justice, here's my new garden. What should I label it? You're just telling me. 6 what? 6 meters. And what will I label down here? 6 meters. Draw and label a sketch of what Son's new garden could look like. I love how Dylan W. We'll take times 5. Want your area to be the same. So let's prove that this is the same. We want our same area, but a different perimeter. How do I find perimeter? Austin knows? You all know. How do I find perimeter? What do I do? Do I subtract? Do I divide? Find the perimeter. Austin, what do I do?
When you're looking for perimeter, if you only have the one that says the top one that says 9 and the other one that says 4, if you have 9 on the top, you put 9 on the bottom, and if you have 4 on the side, you put the 4 on the other side.
What do I do with all those numbers?
Then you take them to the side, add them, which will take longer, but really what will take a shorter time is multiplying something to get perimeter.
What can I multiply for this one? 6 times. To find the perimeter. 6 times 4, so 6 meters times 4 sides equals 6 times 4.
36.
Justice has her hand up. I love it. Justice, what's 6 times 4? You should all be thinking of this too. 24 meters. That's our perimeter. We need to check the area. Make sure the area is the same. How do we find area? Remember length times width.
Equals area.
So what would I multiply for area, Matt? What do you think? 6 times 6. 6 meters times 6 meters equals 6 and 6? 1, 2, 3. 6 times 6?
36.
Woo! 36. What? Meters? Squared. So does 36 meters squared here equal 36 meters squared there?
Yes.
Yeah, so we did it. Now, the part that you've all been waiting for. If you flip this bad boy over. Oh, I'll leave it. Sorry. Austin, get that extra one. Number 57. On the back side, Marlena has a rectangular flower bed like the one below. There's her flower bed. Oop, Austin. What are the perimeter and area of Marlena's flower bed? We just did those. You know how to figure those out. Show your work. There's all these lines here for your BAM statement and this empty space on the sides for your work. Your math thinking, don't forget to show it. Letter B. Marlena wants to build a new flower bed with the same perimeter as her current flower bed, but a different area. This isn't like what we just did, because last time we wanted the same area and we changed the perimeter. This time we want the same perimeter, but we're going to change the area. Luckily, ladies and gentlemen, you won't be doing this alone. You're going to work in pairs. Now, once you are paired, it's fine, I can wait. Once your pair has gotten this starred by Miss Murdoch or myself, then you're going to create your garden. Because remember, I want spring so bad. We're going to create beautiful, luscious gardens that we're going to properly label and share outside in the hallway. We're not eating lunch right now, Niviana. Put it away or to the garbage. Now, I want you to all look at Marlena's flower bed, and it currently says 8 feet and 4 feet. Will you change those feet to inches? Change the feet to inches. Everyone change the feet to inches. Can you change that to inches? I know, because people are still copying it. Yeah. We're changing this to inches because when you create your flower bed with your partners, I don't want an 8-foot flower bed. That would be huge. I'm 5 foot tall, so an 8-foot flower bed would be even taller. So we made it inches, so it's gonna be they're gonna be like this big. All right. You can make them as fancy as you want them. I've got fancy pizza. I've got macas and glitter. Maybe glitter. We'll just see. We'll see how you are.
Jersey accent.
I know my Jersey accent. But it's fine. I can wait. But you cannot start any of that until this is checked and approved. So your partners are going to be decided via. Oh no.
Oh no, I can't
Via popsicle sticks.
Be a popsicle stick.
That's right.
Be the popsicle stick.
I'm ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember your partners. Lizzie, you are with Danae. Ethan is not here. Austin, you are with Quincy. Riley, you are with Dylan W. Jill, you are with. You're not here either. You're with. He's not here either. Oh my goodness. Jill, you are with Dylan Demont. Oh. Mallory, you are with Kieran. Ariel, you are with Hannah. Matt, you are with Jose. Shaylee, you are with Niviana. Brad, you are with Colin's not here. You are with Justice. Everyone's got a partner?
No, not Rebecca. That's Rebecca picking
Rebecca, why don't you work with Justice and Brad, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, you've got about 8.5 minutes to work on this project.